Well, Mark, that 5-0 win against Serbia probably only feels like yesterday. Back on camp already. How have the last couple of days been?
They've been good. Yeah, good to see everyone. Good to reunite with the boys again. Yeah, and excited for another good game.
Thomas Tuchel described in his press conference last week, he said that the team spirit, the feeling amongst the group was that of the highest quality. As players, do you feel that as well?
Definitely. I think last camp was definitely a really enjoyable camp, to be honest. I feel like we gelled really well on the pitch, but a lot off the pitch as well, getting to know each other, really bringing that togetherness and that team spirit. So, yeah, it was a really enjoyable one.
Yeah, it's a good point. How much of a difference does that make when you step across that line and onto the pitch?
I think it's massive, to be honest. I wouldn't say it's absolutely essential, but it definitely helps when you're on the pitch. You're going out there to give each other everything. And, when you have guys that you like off the pitch, it just helps a lot more on the pitch.
Tomorrow night, Mark, a friendly against Wales, but I think it's fair to say friendly might not be the best word to describe it. It's going to be quite the occasion and a really good test. What kind of opportunity does this give you guys as a group?
Like you just said, it gives us a good opportunity to test ourselves. We know Wales are a really good team, very well structured, very well organised, with a lot of players that we already know from the Premier League itself. So it's going to be a really good game. Everyone's looking forward to it. Like you say, it's definitely not friendly.
A lot of players that you'll be familiar with. I have to ask you, of course, about your time at Swansea City. You played in South Wales. I listened to an interview that you did back in August, and you said, just how influential that period was for you as a player. Liam Cullen and Ben Kabanga would have been in the squad with you. Looking forward to meeting up with them again?
Yeah, it'll be good to see the guys. Really enjoyed my time there. Definitely missed them a lot. Obviously Joe, that I played with as well, who's gone to Leeds. So really exciting. Obviously it was a great period in my career. Like you say, a period that kick-started everything. So I'm grateful to the football club. I'm grateful to the fans and everyone that helped me get to this point now.
On a personal note for you, Mark, it's been quite the couple of months, both on and off the pitch. You got your first England goal in that Serbia game. Just how much do you think the last, sort of couple of months have helped you, perhaps, because you've certainly been doing your talking on the pitch?
Not much, to be honest. I think to get to where I am today has been a lot of hard work, but definitely a lot of people that have put in the hard work on my behalf as well. Friends, family. All the good people that have helped me at football clubs. So it's not just the last couple of months, but it's been years and years of, different people pushing me along to get to where I am today.
Finally, Wales tomorrow night, more World Cup qualifiers to come as well. What have been the key messages from Thomas Tuchel?
Keep pushing, keep believing, making sure the standards stay high, because, at the end of the day, we want to be able to qualify and, go and compete for a World Cup. So I think those are the messages.
Appreciate your time, Mark. Thank you.
Thank you.